How to find TikTok draft videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you have ever saved a video as a draft on TikTok but can't find it later, well, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find your TikTok drafts in 2025. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are on the profile section, you'll see a draft folders at the top of your video grid. So simply you can tap on it to see all your videos you have saved as a draft. And there you can simply select any draft to continue, add effects, music, or caption. And here, when you're ready, you can just tap on the post button to share it or keep it as a draft for later. And drafts are saved only on your device, not on other TikTok servers. So if you log out and uninstall the TikTok or switch devices, your draft will be deleted automatically. And that's it. That's how you can find your TikTok drafts in 2025. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.